Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on background sound on iPhone. But firstly, just open up your settings. From your settings, scroll down to accessibility, tap on it, and then you scroll down to audio and visual under hearing, which is this option, tap on it, and then you scroll down to background sound. This is the second option here. Now what this does is to help you mask unwanted environmental noise. It will also help you to minimize distraction, help you to focus, to be calm or to rest. So let's tap on it now. So you can reduce the volume or increase the volume, it depends on you. You also have different options. We have balanced noise, bright noise, dark noise, duration, rain, and stream. So if I turn this on, it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to turn on background sounds on iPhone. Thanks for watching.